Hello, today I'm going to replace my propane lines. The one on this side leaks, so I try not to use it, and we're going out this weekend and I want to have use of both tanks. These lines have been on this trailer since 2007, so I think it's time to replace them. Alright, so what you're going to need is a 9/16 wrench, some Teflon tape. I'm using this yellow stuff, and you need some new propane lines. Here's the number on those in case anybody wanted to look them up. This is by Gas Pro. I got these at my local RV supply house. They didn't have them this short. These are a little bit longer, so I may have to do a little bit on these tanks to get them to fit. Okay, so to start off with, you want to make sure both your tanks are off, of course, and then we're going to disconnect them. And I'm going to disconnect both tanks. And so if you can see, these are not floppy anymore. So let's get our 9/16 wrench and just, actually comes off pretty easily. And you can see how hard that is. Grab one of our new lines, and we'll grab some Teflon tape here. And we just need a couple of wraps. And we'll just screw that in. Okay, grab our wrench. You don't need to put a whole lot of torque on this. And that feels pretty good right there. So you can see the size difference between these. But I think it'll work okay. So now we need to do the other side. Same thing, this one's not very pliable. Okay, that feels good. So now we just need to put our tanks back on. So I think I'm going to put my tanks in this direction now. Yeah. There we go. Okay, everything's nice and tight. Put my thing over here. Now I just want to turn this tank on and make sure there's no leak. And you can smell it if there's a leak. And you can get a soapy spray bottle and put on there as well. I don't smell anything, so I think we're okay there. I'll turn this one off. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to do the same to the other side. And I don't smell any leaking. Okay. So we'll set these down here. And now we can put our cover back on. And there we go. That's how you change your propane lines. So that's it for this video. I've got more videos coming, so stay tuned. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.